Point, Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 12 nautical miles northwest of Reno Beach to 26 nautical miles south of Reno Beach, or from 7 nautical miles north of Maumee Bay to 26 nautical miles south of Reno Beach, moving east at 35 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sandusky Bay, Puddin Bay, Kelly's Island, Huron, Lorraine Harbor, and Avon Point. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
An urgent weather message.